What if I told you there's a planet that should not exist? A world so strange, so impossible, that scientists thought it had to be a mistake. But it wasn't. And what they found has left astronomy shaken ever since. In 2004, astronomers noticed something unusual. Their telescopes picked up tiny dips in starlight, the kind that usually means a planet is passing in front of its star. But this planet, it was enormous, about the size of Jupiter, and it was orbiting its star so close. It should have been ripped apart. Planets this big aren't supposed to exist in that position. The math said it shouldn't survive. Yet there it was, circling its star every few days, like a cosmic dare. So the question became, how can a planet exist in a place where physics says it shouldn't? Normally, gas giants like Jupiter form far away from their stars. That's where ice and gas can collect to build them. But this one, known as a hot Jupiter, was right next door, close enough that temperatures soar to thousands of degrees, close enough that its atmosphere should be boiling off into space, and yet it's still there. Some scientists suggested it must have formed far away, then somehow migrated inward. But that raises a bigger question. Why didn't it fall straight into the star? It is almost like the universe broke its own rules just to keep this world alive. When we finally looked closer with the Hubble Space Telescope, things got even stranger. The planet's skies aren't just hot. They're filled with exotic chemicals. Imagine clouds of vaporized metals, winds moving faster than sound, and in some cases, glass particles so sharp they'd shred anything caught in the storm. And these winds, they can blow sideways at thousands of miles per hour. This is not just a planet. It's a nightmare world, a furnace drifting through space. But then, scientists found something even more unsettling. The atmosphere wasn't just strange. It was leaking every orbit. The star's gravity pulls at the planet like a predator tearing at its prey. Streams of gas and plasma are literally being ripped off into space over millions of years. The planet could be completely devoured right now. It's slowly disintegrating before our eyes. It's like watching a candle burn, but on a planetary scale. And yet, here's the question that keeps astronomers awake. If this planet is being destroyed, why are there so many more just like it? Once thought to be rare, we now know hot Jupiters are surprisingly common. They're scattered all across our galaxy, which doesn't make sense. Our own solar system doesn't have one. So why do so many others? Some think these planets are evidence of violent cosmic pasts. Solar systems born in chaos, where giants are flung inward by gravitational wars. Others believe we're missing a piece of physics, something we don't yet understand about how planets survive in the most extreme conditions. And here's where it gets eerie. If so many solar systems are so unstable, what does that say about our own? Hot Jupiters shouldn't exist. Yet the universe keeps proving otherwise. Maybe these planets are warnings, proof that stability in space is temporary. Or maybe they're signs of how little we truly know about the rules of creation. One thing is certain. When we look at a planet that defies physics itself, it feels less like a discovery and more like the universe whispering, "You still don't understand me." The question is, what else is out there that shouldn't exist, but does?